Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about the occupation safety and health in electricity. The introduction to OSH in electricity. Occupation safety and health in electrical system focus on minimizing risks associated with working with electrical installation, equipment and power system. It aims to protect workers from electric shock, fire, arc flashes, and other hazards. Adopting OSH best practices is critical in industries like construction, manufacturing, and energy utilities where electrical work is common. Now, this is like the electrical hazard. We have to be careful. Sorry that now hazard in electrical work. Some common electrical hazards include electric shock when current flows through the human body causing muscle spasms, burns, or even cardiac arrest. And then this is the high voltage burn area. You can see like this. Even you complete carrying of the left foot with tissue neurosis. And then second burns, and then third degree burns. So it could become like this. And then arc flash and arc blast. An intense electrical explosion due to short circuit causing thermal burns and pressure injuries. Fire hazard, faulty wiring or overload circuit can lead to fire. So we have to be careful, and we have to use the good quality component, wire component, and also have to maintenance also. And electromagnetic field or EMF exposure, prolonged exposure to strong EMFs from high voltage lines or equipment can cause long-term health issue. And then basic safety principle in electric work: lockout, tagout ensures that energy sources are isolated and secured before maintenance or installation work begins. Lockout is physically locking the energy source. Tagout, attaching a tag to notify others of the maintenance activity. And then to use of personal protective equipment or PPE, insulating gloves and boots, and then arc-rated clothing to protect against arc flashes. Safety helmets with face shields for high voltage areas. And then the compliance with standard and regulation. This is the IEC 6364, International Standard for Electrical Installation, and then NFPA 70A USA Guidelines for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, and then OSHA Regulation 29 CFR 9010 333 Safety Standards for Electrical Work in the USA. And then for grounding and grounding prevent accidental electric shock by directing excess current to the ground. And then bonding connect or metallic non-current carrying parts to maintain electrical potential at the same level. And then risk assessment for electrical safety. A risk assessment involves identifying hazard, assessing the severity of risk, and implementing controls. Formula for risk assessment: risk is the same with the probability multiplied by severity. Probability is the likelihood of the hazard occurring, and the severity is impact or consequences of the hazard occurs. Now this is related to the risk. And then example: if the probability of an electric shock is 0.2 or 20% and the severity is rated 5. On a scale of 1 to 5, the total risk score would be 0.2 multiple 5 is the same with 10.2 times multiple by 5 is the same as 1, which might require immediate control measures, and this is the Ohm's law, for shock calculation, V voltage, I current, ampere, L resistance in ohm, Example, a work accidentally contacts a 230 volt line with 1000 ohms of body resistance, then calculate the current, Current is the same with voltage divided by resistance. 230 divided 1000 is the same with 0.23 ampere. Is enough to cause cardiac arrest, illustrating the danger. And then arc flash energy calculation. E is the same 4.184 multiple by CF VI and then T divided by D, D quadrat, where E incident energy cal divided by centimeter quadrat, CF calculation factor typically 1, V is voltage in volt, I volt current amperes, T arc duration in second, D distance from arc centimeter. Example, for a volt current of 10 kA, voltage 480 volt, arc duration 0.2 and distance of 18 centimeter. Now we calculated like this, 4.184 and then CF, calculation factor, and then voltage and current, and then T arc duration in second and divided by distance from arc in centimeter become 12.4 cal per centimeter. This value exceeds the safe limit requiring arc rated PPA. And then electrical safety best practice. So we have to regular inspection and maintenance, ensure wiring and equipment are properly maintained, and then safe work practice. Workers should avoid jewelry, maintain a safe distance from live wires, and work in pairs for added safety. Don't be alone in the work. So we have to keep somebody to look at us. And then training and awareness. Employees must receive training on emergency procedures, first aid and handling electrical fires, and then emergency response plan. Install emergency cut-off switches and ensure workers are familiar with CPR and first aid procedures. And then first aid procedure, turn off the power, cut the power immediately using the nearest switch or circuit breaker. Do not touch the victim. Use a non-conductive object like wood to move the victim if the power cannot be cut. And then check breathing and heartbeat. Administer CPR if necessary. Treat burns. Apply a clean non-stick dressing to electrical burns and then seek medical attention. Even if the injury seems minor, electrical injuries can cause internal damage. Now you can see the electric circuit management. Now you can read and see. Like there is someone and you have to use wood. Now application, low voltage, then go to hospital, call the doctor, and then do not give causality anything to drink, and then expiration chest compression, there is still a lot And then the conclusion is OSH practices in electrical work are critical for preventing injuries, fatalities, and property damage. Ensuring compliance with safety standards, proper use of PPA, and throughout risk assessment are essential components of any electrical safety program. Calculating potential risks and hazards like electric shock or arc flash energy provides insight into the necessary safety measures to be implemented. Okay, thank you for your time. Enjoy, and then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you gain a new science from this lecture note. Okay, thank you.